In the last Super Rolodex video, I showed you how to create a new record. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you how to make some simple edits and save that information. It's pretty straightforward. And then how to delete a record. And I'll probably show you how to delete all records too. So we had already created this Northwest Manufacturing record. Well, let's say here we are years later, and they've made some changes. Number one, we no longer get 25% off list. We now get 35% off. So just make your change right there and click Save. It's as simple as that. That is about as simple as it gets. Maybe they also got into some other things. Maybe widgets is not the only thing they do. Maybe we want to add some other things in here, like they sell scaffolding, as well as construction equipment. And we click Save. And there we are. That record is updated. Simple as that. So, say you have a record that you want to delete. Well, we might as well delete this one here that we're on. It could be any record, but since we just made this one, let's just delete it. Well, what you do is you simply go up here to the Delete Record button, and it gives you Confirm Delete. You are about to delete the selected record. Click OK to continue or cancel to abort. If you click OK, it's going to delete the record. If you cancel, then you've just canceled that option. You're not going to delete the record at this time. Now, if you happen to be an admin level user, you can delete all the records in the database. I get asked that from time to time when somebody gets this program and they play around with it and they add a lot of records, and they kind of maybe want to start over. Well, you can delete all the records. And the nice thing is, even after deleting all the records, if you go, oops, I wish I didn't do that, the good news is Super Rolodex saves all those deleted records in another file. So I'm going to show you how that works. So first of all, you have to be an admin level user, which I am, and probably you are as well. If you go up here, you can click the More button, or you can also go up to File and click that. That's the same access right there. So either one will get you to this screen here. Down here you'll notice Delete All Records. Go ahead and click that. Confirm Delete All Records. You are about to delete all of the records. Click OK to continue or cancel to abort. Okay, we are going to delete all the records. So let's click OK. Last chance to confirm. So this is your second warning. You are about to delete all of the records. Are you absolutely sure you want to do this? Click OK to continue or cancel to abort. We're going to OK. So now we've got a little pop-up here. It says, before deleting all the records, the system will back up the current database by copying and saving it to a new folder called Backup 610-2018 6:02 p.m. Database 1. So what that is, that's a file name. And it's based on the date. Right now it's June 10th, 2018, 6:02 p.m. So it kind of uses that date time as a file name. So that's kind of nice because that'll help you find the most recent one you want to get to if you ever have to go back to it. It goes on to say the folder and database will be created in the Super Rolodex 7 folder, and that is the name of the folder right there. The backup database will be an exact copy of the current database. Click OK to continue. So in other words, when we click OK, it's going to copy the current database and then it will delete the current database. Okay, so here we go. Backup 6/10/2018, 6:02 p.m. Database 1.rsd was created in the following location. That's the location that the database has been put, so we can have access to it if we change our mind and want to go back and use those records. We'll click OK. All the records have been deleted. Click OK. And now if you get out of this window, you'll see there are no more records. So if you ever wanted to get those records back, all you have to do is, let's go to, we're now inside the Super Rolodex 7 folder, and as you can see, here's the folder that it made as a backup. So inside that backup is our database 1 database. But what I'm going to do is, right now the program is looking at this database right here. This is the one that has no records in it. So I'm going to just delete that. And oh, I can't delete it because I am currently using it, that's why. Okay, so let's cancel that. I am going to shut down Super Rolodex for a moment, so I can delete this database. Now, I'm going to go into my backup folder, and I'm going to copy that database, and I'm going to paste it in here. So now this database is the copy of the original one. So remember where we left off, we had a database with no records in it, right? So now if I run Super Rolodex, it takes a moment for the login screen to appear on this older computer that I'm using for this video, so I apologize. And our login is admin, A-D-M-I-N, login. There we are, there's our records. You click on one, they appear. So that's a nice feature. You can delete all the records and start over, or you can always go back to the database that you had deleted because it makes a copy of it. So that's how that works. And I think that concludes this video. I've got a lot more videos coming out on this program, so stay tuned. We'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.